Ooh. We got a celebrity going on here, I think. Let's see who this is. He must be famous.
Idol group 2PM.
Oh, yeah?
And actor, Taec-yeon.
Oh, entertainment.
Yeah,
oh,
entertainment.
nice. I'm a YouTuber too.
Taec-yeon.
Taec-yeon. Oh, okay. Actually ran into a celebrity as soon as I came in. How about that? Let's see if we can follow him around for a while. Feel like the paparazzi. Wow. Okay, so arrived here at Orchard Road. I'll point the sign out here, but right behind me, that is the Ion Orchard. I mean, you can see what they have in this place already just by looking on the outside. Everything around here is very high-end and very similar to the Marina Bay Sands where I was at the other day. That is a definite high-end shopping area. Very cool to be here. Look at this thing over here. I mean, it's just so cool just to kind of like get out here for a walk. Look at this way. He's reading the what? Called the World Times. Re-energizing Orchard Road with Ion. Look at this place. I mean, probably eventually I'll make my way across the street over here. Got that nice, maybe it's a hotel at the same time. I'm sure it is. And you know, if it's raining, you could literally just stay underneath the whole time right here. Occasionally you would get wet. I don't even recognize a lot of these places. Now, this is actually the McGee-Ann City, not what I just said earlier. That maybe be like a brand or something, but this is the official name of it. Right in front of these falls or little fountain area. But how neat is this? They even have a street corner 7-Eleven. I've seen everything now. They are convenient, I have to admit. You can get some really good items at a cheap price. Okay, that's part of the Tashkemaya shopping malls. And this is just one of the names of the malls, McGee-Ann City. Oh, I can't believe they still have payphones here. They still exist, even here. You imagine Singapore having payphones. But you know what? You have to have them, I guess. When I come back down, I'll go down the other way. See, this place is called the Mandarin Gallery Quay. Oh, maybe we'll continue on further up there. See what's going on. Okay, right across the street. This place is called the Orchard Central. Look at this thing. But this is as far as I'm going to go, and then I'm going to make my way back to the Ion. And right behind me, I'm not sure what this is right here, but we'll take a walk up there just a little bit. Seems like an older park. So let's just walk in here a little bit. It's kind of neat how they have some of these older buildings kind of intermixed with everything else here. I call it like a little bit of an old school, you know what I mean? Yeah, look at this. This is called the 5-bar restaurant. Wow, this is some old ones, huh? Let's keep going. See where it ends up here. It's called Ice Cold Beer. Maybe that's the name of it. But kind of like a little bit of, you know, Chinatown background to it. But very neat. Right in front of the Orchard Central. I'll put a name to it in below when I find out exactly what this is here. It's on Emerald Hill. Okay, I'm gonna make my way back to the where I started from. Look at the Food Republic up there. That looks like a neat place to visit, but not now. All right. See more from the other side where I was at. This is called the Heron. So artistic. Very much. Got another little fountain right here. The Paragon. That's the name of this one. Maybe this is Rolex headquarters. There it is. Imagine it so. But look at that place. Anybody in the comments knows if this is the major headquarters, let me know. I'd appreciate it. A little more simpler area down here. A lot of money changers. Don't see too many of them around anymore. Singapore is kind of like a, what you call a cashless society here. Except for the hawker stalls, you know, you pay everything in cash there, but you go anywhere else, it's all, you know, by credit card or some type of cashless way to pay. And there's many of them. This is called the Lucky Plaza, and I think you can probably get some pretty good buys in there. You know, so they have a mixture of you know, a lot of different places that you can go around here without nothing but luxury. You do have medium areas. Nice little tea stand. Right, maybe I can get a good view from where I'm going in. That's a pretty good shot right there. So this is Lucky Plaza. Let's go in there and see what's around here. Okay, this is inside the Lucky Plaza, and I'm right on here on the ground floor. And they got some bargain stuff around here if you're looking for that. So you go from a high-end store to a bargain store, which is pretty good because you can really find some good buys around here. So check it out. This one is called the Value. Not bad, huh? All kinds of goodies in there. And over here, I don't want to show this whole place. This is like a food court, right? Got to show the food court. And by the way, there's a lot of Filipino snack places around here. Looks like food also. I think there's a Jollibee around here too somewhere. Let's see what do we got here. All right, time to make my way back to my Airbnb. Been a lot of fun down here on Orchard Road. Saw a lot of things, a lot of shopping areas. Ran into a celebrity. So that was kind of a treat right there in itself. But this is a lasting shot of where I'm at. So cool to come down here. And I'll see you in my next video from Singapore. Later.